Hello everyone, welcome back to Spiritual Essence, and in today's video I'd like to talk about the magic of the elements. So, years ago when I first started magic, I started learning about the elements and what their incorporation was to magic, and each element has its own special properties to it. Water, fire, earth, air. If you look in the Chinese elements, there's actually wood and metal as well. Which I must say that both metal and wood would consist with earth. So I think we're summing it up here. But when it comes to the elements and how we use it in terms of magic, Usually, most, if not all, the elements are incorporated with every magic spell we do. When we set the altar, usually we are on Earth, so we have Earth energies coming in. But of course, crystals are another version. Then we have air, which can be situated with incense because the smoke, sage also because the smoke. Even I would say candles are a little bit of both. They're a little bit of fire and air. And then the wand is associated with air because we use it to direct the winds of change in our lives. The atame, which is a ceremonial knife used in rituals. And for one, I don't have an atame. I would like to have one, but right now I don't. That is a symbol of fire. And I remember reading articles where people are like, oh, I identify with this element, or I identify as this and this. And now that many years have passed since then, I have understood that we as humans embody all of it. Water, fire, earth, air. We embody all of it. We're made of stardust and water. So we have a lot of things in us, especially these elements. Now, some people, I think, would identify as a little bit more of one or another. In terms of how their personality goes, and I'm not just talking zodiac signs here. I'm talking about just what they're drawn to in terms of like the kind of magic that they like to use. It's almost like, and I never thought I'd be using this analogy, but it's like the four houses of Harry Potter. Slytherin, Hufflepuff, Gryffindor, and Ravenclaw. So each element does signify something. So, water. People who identify with water signs are more flexible, more, go with the flow. People, they tend to be more fluid in terms of situations. They take things as they come. Earth people are obviously down to earth people. Get it? They're down to earth. They're people's rocks, really. If you forgive the pun. They're strong and they're resolute. They don't let anything faze them. Then you got the fiery passion of the fire sign, which fire can symbolize, passion. It can symbolize just ferocity. Maybe even a bit of rivalry, competition, competitiveness, So fire sign can be fierce, but it's not necessarily a bad thing. And then, of course, you got the air signs, which are very ambitious people. Their dreams are high in the sky. The sky is not even the limit with them. And what I would say is I do believe I embody all And I think most people would identify with all of them because we are made up of all of them. Now, would you say that some people identify with one or two more than the other? Absolutely. Like, I say I would identify more with water and air more than the others, but I do embody the rest too. There are times when I can be down to earth, but other times, because I'm very ambitious. My ambitions, a lot of people are like, whoa, whoa. I don't know where that came from, but that's like way high up there. So I don't exactly think that people are just one. It's not like Avatar: The Last Airbender. It's not like where one person gets one trait. We embody all of them. Some people have more of one or two than the others, but we embody all of them. And how does this react with magic? Well, as I said, not just with the altar, though, that we utilize these elements, but also the way our magic works, the kind of magic we do. Everyone uses a different type of magic. Everyone works magic differently, and that can have something to do with the elements that we more identify with. So I would like to hear what you guys identify with. What do you guys more identify with in terms of elements? If you feel like you fully identify with all, say so. If you feel like you only do one or two or just one, put it down in the comments. I would love to hear from you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell button so you don't miss any of my future uploads, and have a good day.